Hey guys, it's me Dev, I'm Dev, and in this video I will show you and explain to you what is keyboard input. So keyboard input is, for example, when a player presses on their keyboard uh, a key, let's say T for example. So when he pushes T, it will say in the console T was pressed, and basically what you can do with this type of script, you can make it that when someone presses T, they like their character resets, or they spawn a car, or they just get a weapon, or to change team, whatever. It's a very important script if you want to make a game. So I will show you how to actually make it with the functions and everything. It's not hard. It's so simple. It's like not even 5 lines of script. Yeah, it's like 5 lines of script. So let's start. You need to add a local script in the starter pack. It cannot be a normal script, because a normal script will be global, but we're making a local script that player presses it. I'm gonna make soon a video about differences about scripts and local scripts, but I'll just tell you real quick. Local script, it only tell player what he's doing right now. So we're gonna make a function right now. We're gonna call it key press. So I'm gonna actually call this script key press. Key press. And we're gonna type now is we're gonna type local function equals key press. You can call it however you want, but just remember it because you're gonna need this. Input game processed, and it's done. Actually, don't put an equal over here. I did a mistake. Remove the equal before the key press. And it's not done yet. We're gonna just keep it here, and we're gonna add another script in the starter pack. So go over here, and local script. I'm gonna call it like I'm gonna call it key input print. Let's say just a random thing. Okay, so what we're gonna type now is we're gonna type function key press. Alright, remember this key press. If you type something else, then key press here. Let's say you typed brick. Let's say you typed brick. You're gonna have to type here again brick. Alright, everywhere is brick. Everywhere is key press. You just type it on your own. But I recommend you just type key press. It's way easier. Function key press. Input game processed if input dot key code 2 equals enum dot key code dot t, then and like this. Alright. So basically this statement is dictating if the key that the user presses is equal to the key, alright, you want to be pressed. The input key represents the actual key the user is pressing. The enum key code represents what key you want to be pressed. So let's say you want to be pressed, like if you presses X, he will like his character will reset. Then we'll just type here another code, blah blah blah, his character will reset. I'll leave it on T though. I'll leave it on T. You can do whatever you want. You can do Alt, Shift, Control, whatever you want. Alright. Now what we're gonna do is, alright, so we made the actual code, but we actually need the function itself. So we need to make the code right now. So what I'm gonna type here is gonna type print, and we're gonna type in here T was pressed. If you want to be anything else printed, let's say T was clicked, T was clicked. You can do whatever you want. It's all about you. All right. 2 lines. At the 7th line, we're gonna type game get service. All right. Well, like this. Type user input service. And dot. We're gonna type an input begun. We're gonna type connect. And in here we're gonna type again the function, which is keypress, and we can close this. All right, so what actually this last code means, it gets the service required to make the keyboard input, and the input begin and the input begun, sorry, detects when the user presses the key on the keyboard. So let's try it out. Let's click play. And if you're wondering, I'm pressing T right now. How you check it? You click F9 on your keyboard. T was pressed. As you can see, I'm pressing it. I'm spamming it. If you open it again, T was pressed. As you can see, I'm just pressing them. Yeah, you can see all the stuff. This is a very important function for scripting, because with this you'll be able to do lots of stuff. Let's say you want on T, he will get like he will teleported somewhere. It's a very good function, and I recommend using it for your game. So I hope you like this video, and please subscribe and like the video and comment. Thank you for watching, and bye.